Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Soft Reviewed.
The video that you just saw now was created just using an image, and with this service, you can create ultra realistic videos using just an image. All you have to have is like the starting image. For that, I use this service Majai. I come here, I will click on images. As you can see, click on new image here. Then we can actually select from different providers. We can, if you want to text to image, then we can select on text to image, and the best one is Imagen 3. So yeah, we can select the aspect ratio and give like a prompt, a beautiful looking realistic woman looking straight at the camera. So that can be the simple prompt, and we can start generating this image. Or you can use any image generator. Since I already have this, I am using this. You can use Flux or anything else, whichever you like. So as you can see, we have this image. Now we can just download the specific image and actually animate this by coming into the service. So that's how I did it. Now let's see in detail how to actually use this. Lets you create realistic lifelike videos by just providing an image. The highlight is that it can create videos. If you just provide an image, it can create videos with realistic expressions with the given voice. We can use text to speech, or we can dub our own voice, and the image can talk very realistically. And one of the best service that can do this for us is OmniHuman. I was really impressed with this model when the research paper first came out, but we never had the option to try it out. But if you just click on try the video, a video generator here, you can see there are like different samples that they provide, and you can also see the pricing here, which is bit costly. If you pay like monthly, you can start from $30. Yeah, but I will show you like how we can actually use this for free. I know that they are providing this for a limited time, but still, if we can generate something for free, it's great. So this is mainly by ByteDance. If you don't know ByteDance, it's a big company. It's these are the guys who are behind TikTok and CapCut and all the other softwares that you use. And ByteDance is banned in India, so we cannot TikTok or Cap. So they started offering this service that I'll show you. Like before that, I'll just show you like the quality of the video. I think this is an image of Albert Einstein, and if this wasn't on this paper, I would have thought like this was real. So I'll just show you quickly how it looks like.
Catulus. Science does not answer why questions.
See, it looks real, right? The expression and the way his hands move, his eyes, his lip movement, all looks real. It's amazing quality. And there are like different examples of how this works. And I'll also show you this video as well. Look at how she speaks.
Some of you may know me as a stand-up comedian and from my appearances on Roast, but I am not here to roast you tonight. I want you to know that. And how could I, really? You're all so famous, so talented, so powerful.
Look at the head movement and how the hand movement. This all looks really realistic. If this was on like social media, I won't even know that this was created using AI. It feels so real, and now it's getting to a time like it's really hard to distinguish between what's fake and what's real. So as you can see, you can also animate 3D characters as well.
Yes, this is his position in 2 words. A little while since he
Okay, and now I will show you like how we can actually get our hands on this and use it for free. This is where we can access it. So if you are from India, or if in your country if CapCut or TikTok is banned, then you need like VPS service in order to access it. And let me just select this. So I have now the VPS turned on. As you can see, this is not a paid account. This is just a free account. I have 0 credits here. So if I just refresh it, see there are like a lot of options here, but why I am really impressed is because of the lip sync. I am not a big fan of their image generator, since we have other good image generator. I am like mainly focused on their lip sync. That's what we are trying to look at here. So this is another video that I created,
Share and subscribe to Soft Reviewed.
and this is their video generation, text to video. I gave it a prompt and like it converted that into this video. I'm not really happy with the quality how the wheel is moving here, the tire. So yeah, there are like other better models that can do this much better. Let's see how we can convert the Ghibli style image into an animated video. Yeah, let's see how we can do that. For that, we will be using ChatGPT here. You just need to upload an image to convert that into Ghibli style first. Let's choose this image of Mr. Bean and let's prompt it so that convert this into Ghibli style. We have like our image created here. Let's actually download this. Let's come here and let's go to click on lip sync, then select AI avatar. Since we are using an avatar, upload file, upload our Mr. Bean. Now we have our character and I have a small script prepared here. Let's copy paste that script. We paste that. There are like different voices here. Let's choose the voice from male. So it's recommended to use like only 15 seconds.
Hello there. Look closely.
Hello there. Look closely. I'm AI generated.
Hello there. Look closely.
Let's select this voice and there are like two options here. Master mode, generate ultra realistic full body movements and background animation, and faster generation speed and lower creation cost. So let's select the master one to see the highest quality. You can upload your own audio here by clicking this and uploading like a 15 second, then it will lip sync that for you as well. So you have both the options. Here I will be sticking with this sound. So let's click on generate. I need to like, yeah.
Hello there. Look close.
Let me just trim that. I hope now it's generating. So yeah, as you can see now, this model will generate it fast, but this model will take some time. Yeah, let's wait till this is finished and see the final output. Let me just play that for you
Look
guys.
closely. I'm AI generated, built for realism. Notice the detail in my features, the subtle expressions, the light in my eyes. I'm designed to look and feel convincingly like
That's how our Ghibli animation looks like, and I hope now you understand what you can actually do with this. You can animate real
Subscribe.
videos like this, and you can create videos from text prompt, and there are like a lot of other features as well. And now everything is free, and you have a canvas editor as well where you can create images from scratch. You have in painting as well. So it's like a complete suite of different AI tools for video generation and image generation, and there is new features coming in like music generation and mimic motion, and yeah, you can use this for free as well. So if you want, you can come to this dreamina.capcut.com, or I will have the link in the description if you want to test that out. I hope this was helpful. If you liked it, please don't forget to share and subscribe for more future videos. Again, thank you for watching. Have a great day.
Like, share, subscribe.